Hi, I'm Adam Bloomfield, and today we'll be talking about winter boat maintenance. With the COVID situation developing and the New South Wales government deeming boat maintenance a reasonable excuse to leave the home, the Riviera Sydney team has compiled a small list of items to remember now that you might not be using your boat as much as you once were. We'll start with the sea strainers. Now, your sea strainers are your first line of defence against any sort of debris that might be floating in the seawater that is used to cool your engines, aircon units, and generator. Prolonged inactivity of your boat can result in shell buildup, which will partially block these strainers and will cause overheating. Another thing to remember are your ball valve seals. Now, these require very little maintenance, just make sure you keep them lubricated and corrosion free to ensure they are operating. Now we'll move on to the rudder posts. It is important to check your rudder post seals for any sort of wear and tear while maintaining lubrication in the bearings, which will prevent any sort of grit getting in there and causing corrosion. As always, our expert mechanics recommend that you use the Armoury in Sydney fuel treatment to ensure the overall health of your fuel system. So if you haven't already booked in for your regular boat service, now is the time to do so. And remember, if you have any questions, the Armoury in Sydney service team is always available to field your call. Thank you. I'll see you later.